with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Oh, Miss Daddy careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Hey Paris, welcome to the Jamaican Debit Strain once more. So I am giving you a little realist farmers market all. Yeah. And we're going to cut you and show you something while I go on a market. In fact, this is my first official market all. Me do it already, but I never me go market. And me go this time like go down the market. So I'm gonna show you what I have right here. First and foremost, I have some scent and just and the realest thing. See, them people in the market, certain place in the market, you're gonna see she tied with the banana trash. I don't know I love this, you know. Me a country girl and I love this. This is St. Andrew scallion. It's grown mostly in the hills of St. Andrew. And if you see the leaves, they are like almost like leeks, very fat. Yeah, I love these scallions. They are very flavorful. Yeah, I got some carrots. I think that's about £2. But look here, let me tell you something now. You see, when I realize, you know, everything is so expensive, the market is so expensive. But walking up and down like first time you go market, you da walk up and down. And I said, boy, I see it yourself for 150. Me just come from the market and I'm on the outside. So it's not a prim and proper. All of my real people know that. But let me tell you, get down in the nitty gritty. At the farmers market now, first time before the pandemic and so, you'd have to see somebody sell for 150 and you say, yeah, people say, you can get it for 130 around the sun, yeah, walk. Right now to all me see it don't even make no sense. You walk up and down and say, yeah, go look it for 130 or 140. If them say 150, because the thing is, it's stand a chance you might not get it. And if you get it, it might not look good. You see what I say? Yeah, I mean like my stuff them look good. So what I do, I wanted £3 of this. And she said $2.50 a pound. The regular scale and $100, I hear them ask it. I never really want them, I didn't want this. I wanted £3. I couldn't afford £3 to my budget, so I just buy £2 and make it work. What really catch me though, my head kinda did left me. Me definitely should I buy a pound of the other one and mix it, but it's gone already. This is I think £5. This is all our Jamaican local onion. Yeah, I get it for £5. Yeah, I see them have it and sell it cheaper. I think this was either 160 or something like that. I sell them and sell it cheaper, but the quality none of it look good. Yeah, this I go country go start plant chocho. First I either get 3 of this for 100 or 150 or so then there's the over. I got some carrots right here and this look like some of the best. Some of them all and tough like me with some crack up on them. I now go for them. We get a £1.5 and I look for one of their beetroot. And you all know beets. Nice. Yeah. We get 3 of the Jamaican local sweet corn. And these were $600 Jamaican dollars. $600 Jamaican dollars, how much US? I don't know. I don't know like 20 US? No, about 30 US? 600 Jamaican dollars.
No.
I don't know. Me tell them. And I see how this. What you say it not gone nowhere. But it look like it not gone nowhere for sure. I wish you'd want to replace it with never so hot. Pepper by the pound, £1/pound. Yeah. So look at sweet pepper. I have other sweet pepper in my refrigerator. So but they want to look at colors and so I can't even buy, you know. This was like £1. Yeah. These are some lettuce. Let me try iceberg this time. Yeah. I bought £3. This big boy is a pineapple. I think you said this pineapple here weighs £6. I think so. I know smell nice, but I don't know if it's sweet. And these are like for special stuff I got. This is a watermelon. Him said this weighs £11. I'm gonna try this up. Yeah. This is a pound of celery. After I bought this, but I don't mind them little one here, because when I break them, I find out that they're young. Nice. You see them? Young. Them not tough and barky. Yeah, so that was a pound of our local Jamaican celery. Sometimes you get them bigger and them have little thing they catch out the country. Yeah. This now is some pumpkin. But the lady couldn't manage the pumpkin. A little elderly lady, she couldn't manage it. And so she begged somebody cut it, but I saw him cut it. So I take out the belly and them seeds and I dry them, carry them to St. Mary. Hope to get good pumpkin. These are some, what this name? Cabbage. I'm on the outside and I pop them about. These are some cabbage. Local, of course, coming to buy imported seed. So I got, I think she said this was like, these 3 were £11. Yeah, them weight £11. Something like my cabbage, them nice green on the outside. So when you make a toss salad, it look good. Last but not least, I got some pak choys. Yeah, see them? Something So I give you an overview, pak chai and all of these. This was what I definitely, and only thing I get are two stuff on the list that I did not get that I work with a list for. Because camera girl have me, Cobb have me under order. We make a list. Normally I make list. So I think I spent about I think I spent about $70. I may have to quote it in a US school. Between 70 to 80 US. Thanks for watching. Tell me what you think about that in the comment section. All of these. If you notice, I like I look more pan a little bulk side. I buy more than regular for my house. Buy it for a special reason. So I don't know what I say. But comment and tell me that's what I spend about. I would think I spend about between 70 to 80 US for all of this and market stay by the price turn up. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the love. Remember to make sure that you're subscribed. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what go on a farmer's market for ends. Love you.